Chloe, what do you do to save the planet? What's your environmental tip? Chloe's like the opposite. She comes here with her like, for this video, she's like, oh, I got plastic straws. I got disposable containers. I got a water bottle. Basically rated her apartment for this video, for the bad stuff. But now you know. Hey health nuts, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nikole, and today we're going to be talking about 10 different ways to save the planet. Actually, I don't know what this video is going to be called, but I'm going to share 10 ways that Matt and I do to kind of reduce our environmental impact on the planet, and just how easy it is to swap out items that you maybe use every day in your kitchen or your home with more sustainable, environmentally friendly ones that don't cost that much and are still just as great as the original product, if not even better. So I'm gonna share with you guys some of my favorite products that I use that have really made a difference to reducing the waste that we have in our household. And hopefully you guys will be inspired to do the same. I will link all the products that I'm mentioning in today's video in the info box down below. Some of them we actually carry on our wellness shop, so you guys can check them out there. But without further ado, let's hop right into the video. First up, we have the well-known plastic snack bags. Whether you use them in the freezer or for lunches, they quickly add up and they easily get thrown in the trash. Instead, why not try using these silicone storage bags? You can freeze them, cook with them, store things in them. They're amazing, and I use them for almost everything and anything. They're also super easy to wash in the dishwasher. Seal them up and they're ready to pack in your lunch bag. Next up, we have the plastic straws. I used to use these as a kid all the time, but over the years, I've totally swapped them out entirely for options like glass and stainless steel. These are reusable, they're fun to use, they're easy to clean, and they just are really fun to drink out of. So pour yourself a tall glass of whatever you like to drink, whether it's a smoothie, sparkling water, you name it, and go ahead and sip up knowing that you're doing the environment a favor. Now everyone has that drawer that's just full of grocery plastic bags. So why not swap those out for the reusable canvas option that you can easily take with you to a grocery store. They're more fashionable, they're easier to carry, they don't break, and they're machine washable too. So if you get them dirty, you can just wash and reuse them, and they are just super handy to have at all times. Parchment paper is something I've been using for years, but in the last couple years, I've swapped it out for silicone baking mats. They're easier to clean and they're also non-stick. I like using them for my Sunday meal prep to roast veggies or even for baking delicious cookies. Are you a coffee drinker? If so, you probably use one of these every day, the disposable paper cups. Why not try using a reusable thermos or traveler mug that you can bring with you to the coffee shop, or even just make your own coffee to go? Some coffee shops will even give you a discount if you bring in a reusable mug. So you can save money and the planet at the same time. Next up, we have the overused produce bag. I really try to avoid using these as much as I can. Instead, opt for some mesh produce bags. These are amazing. They help store your fruits and veggies easily in your fridge. They'll keep them nice and fresh, and you can wash and reuse them as often as you like. Next up, we have the evil plastic water bottle that ends up in waste fields all over the world. Instead, swap it out for a reusable bottle that you can carry with you all day long. It's cuter, you can fill a lot more water in it, and it will remind you to drink water. Plus, you can add things like fresh fruit and herbs to freshen it up. Isn't that a refreshing thought? Anyways, go get yourself a cute little water bottle and take it with you everywhere, and stop using the disposable ones when you can. Paper towel is something that's not only expensive, but it's a one-use item. Swap it out for something more absorbent like a tea towel that you can use, wash, and then reuse again. Plastic wrap is something that we also overuse. Why not swap it out for an environmentally friendly product like Bees Wrap wrappers? These are available in so many different colors and shapes, and you can use them for so many things, like wrapping your veggies with. You can even use them to cover up leftovers and pop them in the fridge. You can wash them with some cool soapy water, let them dry, and reuse again. And then we have the sponges. Not only do they get really gross and smelly and full of bacteria, but there's not really a way to wash them and reuse them. So why not swap them out for something like these crochet washcloths? These are ones that Matt's mom actually knitted for me a couple years ago, and I still use them to this day. I pop them in the washer machine and reuse them, and they're amazing to wash pretty much anything. All right guys, there you have it. Those are my 10 ways to help save the planet and reduce your waste and your carbon footprint and just your environmental impact on the world. I think it's really important to kind of do your part in it all. I know it kind of seems like what you do may not make a huge difference in the grand scheme of things, but it does. And I think the more or the less we buy disposable plastic, the better. It doesn't end up in our oceans, the fish aren't eating it, then we're eating the fish. It's just gonna come back to us anyway. So I think it's so important to reduce waste, and these 10 tips can hopefully help you guys do that. So I will link all of the products that were used in the video in the info box down below. And if you guys buy anything from our shop, you can use the coupon code NOWASTE to receive 15% off your purchase. So be sure to check out the links below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you have any of your own environmentally no waste tips, let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to know. And hopefully you guys got inspired by this video and make some changes in your own life. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.